Hello. We're going to be telling scary stories.
And we're going to take turns.
Yes, we're taking turns.
Ouch.
This is the person who actually is not my brother.
Yeah.
He's just my friend.
Yeah.
He's being the cameraman today. It's alright. Getting creepy.
I know it is getting creepy a little bit outside. It's very, very creepy. Just look at that. That just looks so weird outside. See, do you see that? Do you see that stuff out there? That's where the most creepy stuff happens out there. Between that right there and what was that? She just kicked me.
Okay, so
Watch this. Super move.
how about you go first? You go first.
Oh.
You're gonna be going first.
So one time I was in the bandit house. And,
You already told that story. It's boring.
One time I was in the bandit house and me and my friends were in the bandit house. My friend Trey and Caleb, and we went to the house and we just heard noises and stuff, and then we brought a ghost detector. I don't even know why we brought that. That's Caleb's idea. He's a professor, and
He's not a professor.
he is. Yeah, a kid. He like technology and stuff. Yeah, you know. And we heard a noise, and we saw a box of freaking spells, and then we just had to leave because this
Wait,
weird
what?
this weird person
That's scared.
this weird person came out and said you have to get out here. And we're like, okay, what's so bad with this place? And then they're like, well, this place is abandoned, and if you don't leave, I'll have to kill you. And I'm like, oh, crap. And then we left, like, and then after an hour later, we decided to go back and see who that man was. And his name was Albert Willitzer.
What? That's a weird name.
I know, it is a weird name. And Albert, he's a killer. He was a serial killer.
You're lucky you didn't get killed.
Well, we went into a closet with dead bodies in it. And,
Oh God. Ew. Were they cold?
They were cold.
Oh God.
It was in the deep freezer.
How?
I ran for my life. Caleb tripped, and the man was coming for him. And you can, if you watch TikTok and stuff, you can look on him. His name's Caleb King
Mhm.
on TikTok, so you can always look on him. That's the person that tripped and almost died. And yeah, it's a story.
Tell us one more story.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, here you go.
So.
Almost dropped the phone.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So, one time at my house, well, somehow me and my friends and my neighbors, some of my neighbors, like 1 and 2, and my friend Gabriel, he's a boy. What are you doing?
Or boyfriend. Gabriel. Okay, go.
Oof.
Oh! Okay, tell a story, please.
Okay, so.
I'll get you back for that. Tell a story, please.
So the place was in Charles. I can't tell you. I can't tell you. You could come kidnap me. So I was in the school called. I'm not going to tell you the name because you could come find me and kill me. So when I
Don't
was
say
at
that.
school, my friends and some of my neighbors came with me because they wanted to. I didn't like that. Well, I only liked it because Jada didn't come. So
Jaden.
yeah, she has dogs. She made her dog chase after me.
Oh.
Oh gosh. So
Please tell a story.
okay. So we went to the park at that school because we wanted to. Before we went inside of it, we played at the park, and everything was broken and dirty. Looks abandoned.
Huh.
Like it was abandoned, but the school still's on. It's still people still go there. Wait 1 second.
Swills. Weird. But guys, do y'all hear that?
Yeah, we're not using sound effects.
That's like the weirdest train honk ever.